Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete your subscription with Immersity AI. In order to do so, first off, if you are at app.immersity.ai and you're signed in, up at the top right hand corner, if you click on the account icon, then you'll see here that you have either the option to buy credits or you can manage your account. We're going to go ahead and select manage account, just to show you here that with Immersity, there is no subscription. It is entirely based on credits. So in order to use Immersity, you have to buy credits. They provide you 100 credits to start. And if you click on buy credits, then you can see here that for $5 or $10, you can buy more credits. You do get bonus credits for purchasing the $10 plan. The subscription is such that basically, it's once your credits run out, then you're going to need to refill that. So if you have purchased credits and you're looking to cancel your subscription, then basically there is no specific way to do that. You just need to finish using your credits until they're gone, and then you're going to need to top off again if you so wish. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.